Home remedies for soothing a sore throat. We've all been there. A scratchy, painful throat that makes even swallowing water feel difficult. No matter what causes them, sore throats are often accompanied by itchiness and irritation that makes it difficult to eat, talk, or get a good night's sleep. While they can be distressing, many sore throats don't warrant a trip to the doctor. In fact, you can treat the symptoms at home using a wide range of simple, effective remedies. In this video, we'll discuss some of the best home remedies for soothing a sore throat, including some you might not have heard of. What causes a sore throat? First things first, we should address what might be the cause of your sore throat. After all, this particular symptom is often associated with many more serious health conditions. How do you know whether you're dealing with a mild case or not? It's true that a sore throat can have many underlying causes. The most common cause is viral infections like the common cold, influenza, or even mononucleosis. Any of these can leave your throat feeling scratchy and raw. The worst part? Antibiotics will be useless. However, when a sore throat is caused by bacterial infections, such as strep throat triggered by the streptococcus bacteria, antibiotics may be necessary to clear up the infection. Though you shouldn't use antibiotics willy-nilly, in this case you'll want to let your doctor take the lead. Finally, we have circumstances where you have a sore throat, but you aren't actually sick. After all, environmental factors play a major role in throat discomfort. Irritants such as smoke, pollution, chemicals, and even spicy foods can also wreak havoc on your throat. Smokers or those who spend time in polluted environments may notice a sore, irritated throat after prolonged exposure. Allergies are an even more common throat irritant, with pollen, dust, pet dander, and mold being prime triggers. Allergic reactions cause throat irritation and sometimes swelling, which can be persistent, especially during allergy season. Another environmental culprit is dry air. In colder months, heated indoor air can remove moisture from the throat lining, leading to dryness and soreness. This lack of humidity can leave you feeling like your throat is coated in sandpaper, especially when you first wake up. The good news? You probably have everything you need to deal with your sore throat in your cupboard right now. Let's start with an age-old remedy that really works. Honey has been a trusted sore throat remedy for generations. Thanks to its natural antibacterial properties, honey is not only capable of soothing that nasty throat, it can also help reduce inflammation. In fact, a 2021 research study found honey to be as effective as the cough suppressant dextromethorphan, which is commonly found in over-the-counter cough syrups. Try adding a spoonful of honey to warm water, or just take it by the spoonful by itself for quick relief. You'll notice the difference right away. Drinking soothing teas. Warm teas can provide immediate comfort to a sore throat, especially when you combine them with other ingredients on this list. Honey, for instance, is just as effective in tea as it is in warm water. Another excellent sore throat tea is chamomile tea, which has been used for centuries to reduce inflammation and promote healing. While we often think of it as merely a sleep aid, a 2023 review found that chamomile has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and astringent properties, making it a perfect throat soother. Another unique remedy is curry leaf tea. To make it, simply boil 3 large curry leaves in around 3/4 cup of water for 4 minutes. Once it reaches optimum temperature, add turmeric, cinnamon, black pepper, and ginger, then sip after meals to help soothe throat pain. Gargle with salt water of baking soda. Gargling with warm salt water is one of the easiest ways to get fast relief for your sore throat. This is because salt helps reduce swelling and break down mucus, clearing your throat and making it easier to breathe. Simply mix half a teaspoon of salt in a full glass of warm water, gargle for 30 seconds, and spit out. You can do this hourly if needed. Just try to avoid swallowing the salt. Too much sodium is bad for you. You might also try gargling with a baking soda solution, as this can help neutralize acid and kill bacteria. Just mix 1 cup of warm water with 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a tiny bit of salt for a soothing gargle. Peppermint is well known for freshening breath, but it also contains menthol, which is equally effective at thinning mucus and calming sore throats. In fact, peppermint is highly regarded for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which makes it a great at-home remedy for all sorts of ailments. Just steep dried peppermint leaves in boiling water, let it cool, and enjoy. You can also create a throat spray by mixing food-grade peppermint oil with a base like olive or coconut oil. Use it several times a day for a refreshing burst of relief. Imagine going a whole winter without reaching into your medicine cabinet. Subscribe to our channel for loads of at-home remedies to keep you feeling your best all season long. Get to the root of the problem. Herbs like marshmallow root and licorice root are excellent for throat relief. Marshmallow root contains mucilage, a thick substance that coats and soothes the throat. Available in tea or capsule form, it's a natural way to ease pain. Licorice root, which is another ancient remedy, has been shown to fight bacteria hiding in your mouth, throat, and especially in your tonsils. It too can be found in tea form or used as a gargle. Just be careful. It has some health interactions. Finally, you might want to consider turmeric root, a powerful anti-inflammatory. In this case, the best way to get the benefits is by drinking turmeric milk. Just stir a teaspoon of turmeric into warm milk and drink away. Stay hydrated. Hydration is critical for recovery from pretty much any nose or throat-related problem. After all, when you're dehydrated, your body produces less mucus and saliva, which can leave your throat dry and irritated. However, drinking plenty of water helps keep your throat moist and supports your immune system. And remember what we said about dry air? If it isn't the cause of your problem, it certainly won't make it better. To deal with this issue, consider using a humidifier or inhaling the steam from a bowl of hot water. Just cover your head with a towel and inhale deeply for 10 to 15 minutes. You'll not only feel better, but your singing voice will sound amazing. Spice things up. Mother Nature has a way of giving us the things we need. Surprisingly enough, one of those things is hot pepper. You see, capsaicin, the compound that gives hot peppers their heat, is also a natural pain reliever. Try mixing a small amount of a mild pepper, like cayenne, into some warm water. If you want, you can add a bit of honey to improve the taste. Another natural spice that can do your throat some good is garlic, which has powerful antibacterial properties. If you're not a fan of raw garlic, consider mixing it into your meals or drinking garlic water. Get some lozenges. When in doubt, head to your local drugstore and pick up some sore throat lozenges. These mainly work by stimulating saliva production, which keeps your throat moist and lubricated. However, many also contain ingredients like menthol, honey, or eucalyptus, which can further cool and soothe your throat throughout the day. Sore throats are painful but often manageable, especially with the help of these at-home remedies. From honey and herbal teas to steam inhalation and soothing lozenges, these strategies can bring significant relief. However, if your symptoms don't seem to be going away or are getting worse, make sure you seek medical advice. This might be a job for something stronger. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video. We are constantly putting out fun videos on everything related to health and wellness. Please remember, this video is meant for educational purposes and is not medical advice.